I want you to take a moment and go to Shapeways and look for Tomy Trackmaster snowplow. You can see that these snowplows are available at Shapeways, and here is a sample of that looking at this 3D printed. And you may see it's not really smooth, not bad at all. Now the thing is, I want to point out is that it costs $7.68 right there. Let's see, right here there is another option. If you want a smooth finish, that's gonna cost you $22.66. Now let's go back to the first one. Let's say you're gonna buy it. Click on buy it and go to checkout. So the item, it cost $7.68. The processing fee is 34 cents. Shipping is $8.99. So for a single item, single snowplow, you're gonna ending paying $17.01. So today is December 2nd. The shipping is $8.99 right here, and you're gonna get it by December 21st or 28th. If you want to speed up the process, it's gonna cost you $13.99 for expedited today, but still you're gonna get it by December 18th. Let's go back to the item and we're gonna switch. So we're gonna switch to the smooth finish snowplow. Let's click on buy it now. Let's click it and let's go to checkout. We're going to adjust and remove the not so good printed, and let's talk about this. You're paying $20.68 for a single piece. You gotta pay $1.28 the processing, I think it's processing fee, and still gotta pay $8.99 on shipping. So the total you're paying is $32.93 for a smooth finish snowplow. Still the same, $8.99 right here, and expedited is $13.99, and the same express one day, but still you're gonna get it an estimate delivery on December 17th. Today is December 2nd. Okay, so let's see right here, manufacturing speed. For the speed on economy is $0. Priority is $5.12, and rush, which is gonna ship on December 8th, it's $16.50 just to ship the item, you know, in 2 days, in 6 days. The economy shipping, economy manufacturing speed is it's going to take a long time, so it's going to ship on December 16th. So let's say you're going to buy 2 of these snowplows. You're going to pay the same. The only thing is changed is the price, obviously. Processing fee is $2.50. Let's say 5 items, 5 of the same. Wow, processing is $6.40. Wow. So you gotta end paying $128.69. Wow. Ooh. Holy cow. Wow. That's insane. And you can find these items on Shapeways. So this, I'm trying to show you guys this because I'm trying to compare whatever I can do by myself. So if you want a smooth finish like the ones I have right here, that I made some copies, and of course these ones right here are white, they will not be painted, neither the ones I'm making. So let's go back to the basic snowplow. That's gonna cost you, remember, you're gonna pay $8.99 for shipping plus processing fee. And here is what the white natural versatile plastic looks. It's not a smooth finish. It's 3D printed in white nylon plastic with a matte finish and slight grainy feel. Graininess, yeah, I can see that's grainy. It's not really smooth. You see right here? Wow, yeah. It's not, I mean, it's, well, anyways, so I just wanted to show you guys. Here is this option you can buy from these guys. You see right here that these are the options. You still gotta pay $8.99, 34 cents for processing, and the item price is $7.68. Your total is gonna be $17.01 for one item. Let's say you are going to pay 5, you're going to buy 5 of the same, you're still saving a lot of money right here. So you're going to pay $34.15, still $1.70 for processing fee. I am not going to buy any of these to compare with the ones I'm making, because it's obviously it's a grainy finish. It's not really smooth, and it's not gonna fit on every Trackmaster. So the total for 5 items is $44.84. And let's compare with the ones I have. I have 5. I'm trying to find out a way to put it economic, so you guys will not pay a lot of money, because that's the reason I'm doing this, because I don't want to I don't need to sell it, but I understand the purpose of my videos is to show you that you can do it too. You can do it yourself. You can that's what I'm showing you on my videos. You can do it yourself. If not, if you want it, you can buy it from other sellers. Shapeways is a good alternative, or you can buy it from me, lower cost. I'm still deciding, because some subscribers asking me if I can sell them, or they want them. You know, it's a smooth finish, but it's not really top end, because I'm doing this with silicone molds. It's not injection molds like the manufacturing companies. So I'm gonna put a poll right there and see how much you want to pay, because the thing is that I don't want to sell only a single item, or well, it depends. If is it good for a transaction, I can sell a single item, a single snowplow. For we gotta find out which model engines it fits, and there are a lot of model engines. And the ones I show you on the video, it fits. Some for Trackmaster 2 Edward, Tomy Plarail, or Trackmaster Henry, the old models. Not every model is gonna fit. So I'm gonna put a poll soon, so we can discuss. I mean, we can talk about how much you want to pay. I'm gonna put 3 different options, and then we can go from there. If you want to buy only a single snowplow or 5 snowplows, and the shipping for those in the US is I think it's $3.75 or $4 for those 5 snowplows. Now internationals, I can't at the moment. I'm sorry guys, but it's complicated, and let me put it this way. For Canada it's $95 only for shipping. It doesn't matter if I ship 2 ounces or 4 pounds, it's the same. Now other countries it's the same price, $28. That's the USPS estimate. If I ship 2 ounces or 4 pounds, it's going to be the same shipping, $20. For Australia, I know for sure that's $24. I think it's $24. Or for UK, I don't remember, but I'm gonna check soon. So there you guys have it. This is an idea. So this is the only place I know that it's for sale. These are snow plows, and I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Over and out.